The current production expanded capacity vehicle, ECV model M1113, with a payload of 5,100 pounds. That is over 2.5 tons, or very nearly the M1113's own weight of 6,400 pounds. The M1113 has a turbocharged 6.5-liter V8 diesel. The up-armored variant M1114 is produced by AM General with the armor package installed by O'Gara Hess and Eisenhart. As a centerpiece of the Army's vehicular force modernization, Humvees are air transportable and droppable and can be sling-loaded by helicopters. 3 Humvees can be carried in a C-130 Hercules transport aircraft, and 15 in a C-5A Galaxy. In combat conditions, the Humvee can be delivered by the low-altitude parachute extraction system without the aircraft having to land. The Humvee has a low profile, 6 feet tall, a wide stance, 7 feet wide, and is 15 feet long. These proportions contribute to a stable road-hugging truck that is very difficult to roll over. This contrasts to the old M151 Jeeps that were considered unstable. The Humvee is constructed on a steel frame with boxed frame rails and 5 cross members constructed from high-grade alloy steel. Once the substructure is assembled, E-coating is applied to provide additional corrosion protection. The aluminum body reduces weight and provides resistance to corrosion. Aluminum body panels are riveted and bonded together with technologically advanced adhesive to provide additional strength. The AM General designed geared hub assembly in the powertrain doubles the torque to each wheel in the hub of the wheel. This also helps achieve 16 inches of ground clearance, far more than any other vehicle in its class. The use of a double A-arm, independent suspension, front and rear coil springs, and hydraulic double-acting shock absorbers gives Humvee unsurpassed mobility. 4-wheel disc brakes are mounted inboard against the sides of the differentials, both of which are located up between the frame rails, protecting them from impact and debris. Torque biasing differentials allow the vehicle to continue move forward as long as one wheel has traction. This unique configuration of components, along with military 37 by 12.5 radial tires with low-profile run-flat devices, allows the Humvee to go places that no other wheeled vehicles in U.S. or foreign military service could go. Some Humvees are equipped with an optional central tire inflation system, CTIS. This enables the operator to adjust the pressure from the driver's seat on the move, to adapt to changing terrain conditions for greater off-road mobility. The M1097A2 series features a 6.5-liter optimizer 6500 diesel engine built by AM General's subsidiary General Engine Products. It is coupled to a 4-speed automatic transmission and full-time 4-wheel drive transfer case to provide the Humvee with exceptional performance. The vehicle can reach speeds of more than 70 miles per hour. The truck utilizes a 1224-volt electrical system and has a 25-gallon fuel tank. It is power-assisted hydraulic disc brakes and power steering. The vehicle has either a 1x1 or a 2x2 seating depending on the model, on each side of the drivetrain, which is elevated, allowing the differentials to be raised. This, along with the geared hubs, contributes to high ground clearance. The location of the crew on each side of the drivetrain also allows for a low center of gravity. The modular design of the Humvee allows it to be easily reconfigured for many different uses. The 550,000 plus square foot main facility in Indiana is adjacent to AM General's commercial assembly plant. In this plant, the world's best performance four-wheel drive vehicle is assembled with the utmost attention to detail. Fully assembled military Humvees are produced in an environment utilizing lean manufacturing principles and techniques. The manufacturing focus is on people, systems, and practices. Rigid military standards that assure built-in quality, customer responsiveness, cost containment, and employee safety as an overriding priority. The Humvee production facility includes a second plant of approximately 75,000 square feet utilizing craftsman-style operations for adding armor and other components as required by the customer. In addition to the manufacturing capacity, the Humvee plant operations include an on-site vehicle test, track, and evaluation area. All vehicles produced go through a rigorous test track evaluation to assure that each vehicle produced meets high standards of quality and performance. A key element of the 1995 A2 series modification package was the introduction of a new 6.5-liter naturally aspirated diesel engine with improved 160 horsepower rating. The new engine was coupled with an electronic controlled 4-speed automatic transmission and a new exhaust emission system with catalytic converter that had been redesigned to meet new 1995 environmental standards. Other components of the A2 package included an improved steering wheel and column, a self-canceling turn signal, new rear seats similar to front seats used in A1 models, optional composite rear troop seats for the cargo area, 2,300 pound capacity cargo, bed tie-downs, improved vehicle tie-downs for vehicle transport, an improved brake pedal, improved front upper control arms and ball joints, an improved fuel drain configuration, front rear cross member reinforcements, an improved 9,000-pound winch, a dual voltage regulator and alternator system, an improved defroster and heater system, an improved air cleaner element, all supported by multi-attachment hardware upgrades. In addition, the A2 vehicles were produced in central tire inflation-ready configuration and axles, wheels capable of accepting a central tire inflation system, CTIS, and as a field-installed item, although CTI has been sold on international vehicles, the mobility of the Humvee has met U.S. requirements, and therefore this has not been fielded on U.S. military vehicles. The military no longer differentiates between tow, missile, and armaments carriers. The M1097A2 is the basis of expanded capacity vehicle, ECV. Models M1113, M1114, and M1116 with increased payloads and curb weight. The ECV models use a 6.5-liter turbo diesel with 190 horsepower. Expanded capacity Humvees ECV are designed to carry heavier payloads without sacrificing the vehicle's mobility, dependability, and performance. The M1113 ECV is used for special operations vehicles and communications shelter carriers. The M1114, with improved ballistics protection levels, is used for scout, military police, and explosive ordnance disposal missions. The M1114 provides protection against the small arms, artillery, airbursts, and anti-tank mine blasts. The U.S. Air Force uses a modified version of this vehicle, the M1116, specifically designed to meet the requirements of the Air Force. The M1116 features an expanded cargo area, armored housing for the turret gunner, and improved interior heating and air conditioning system. The M1114 and M1116 receives armor at Armor Holdings in Fairfield, Ohio. In 2005, AM General began production of the M1151, M1152, and the M1165 variants. The vehicle incorporated the highest levels of armor protection, including frag kits, all field installable and removable. M1151s are armament carriers, and M1152s are two-man vehicles that can be used as troop carriers, shelter carriers, and etc. The M1165 is a command and control vehicle with a 4-person seating capacity. The armor is available in 2 kits, an A kit and a B kit, which when combined provide gapless, mine, and ballistic protection. The armor can be removed later to provide flexibility for missions that do not require additional protection. Available frag kits provide additional protection when required. The vehicles are equipped with an air conditioning system to provide greater crew comfort.